This is Papa Echo on Radio Alpha Hotel, doing some tests on the ultra small linear transponder. This is the small transponder, and I'm doing some power tests. I have here some self-made equipment. These are a signal generator, two-tone generator in the range of 435.1 megahertz. Can slightly be changed. 1, 2 oscillators, and they are all combined together internally, and I can tune the amplitude. I will do now. I use only one tone. Do an extra 20 dB attenuation to make the signal even smaller. That I put into my spectrum analyzer. I have to go to 435.1 megahertz. I will go on very low level. There we can see the signal. I will do even less attenuation, so we can see peak surge 145.1 megahertz, and the signal is minus 100 dBm. Very small power. I use this as a reference to see how much gain the transponder will give. So what I will do, I will take out this cable, put it to the inputs on the linear transponder. Then the output of the transponder I put in the spectrum analyzer. Then I go to 145.9 megahertz. That's where I programmed the output. But I have to go to a higher level, otherwise I'll blow my analyzer. So maximum level, I will increase the voltage, so it automatically switch on to 3.5 volts. Okay, 3.7 volts is the normal voltage it's used. So here we can see the response on the peak surge. So it's 18 dBm power. So minus 100 inputs plus 18 outputs makes 118 dB total gain of this very tiny transponder.